In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Expression XP-7100 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression XP-7100 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson XP-7100. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, click the drop-down next to operating system and select the correct one, and then select go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that item. And then once it's on your device, open it up. Should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed. And then this file should contain everything you need to install your Epson XP-7100. Click OK to continue. And then you can install optional features or updates as well as configuring your wired or wireless printing preferences. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.